Priestdaddy is a memoir written by Patricia Lockwood and published in 2017. The book explores Lockwood's experience growing up in a highly unusual and eccentric household. The author's father is a Catholic priest, who had been allowed to marry and have a family after converting from being a Lutheran minister. Lockwood's childhood is characterized by the unique challenges and contradictions of living with a father who is both a religious figure and a family man. The memoir takes readers through Lockwood's memories of her childhood in the Midwest, where she describes the peculiarities of her family life. Lockwood vividly portrays her father's larger-than-life personality and the idiosyncrasies of their home, including encounters with various religious artifacts and a constant stream of visitors, including other priests seeking refuge. Through her witty and often irreverent prose, Lockwood delves into her relationship with her father, exploring the complexities of their connection and the impact of his priesthood on their family dynamics. She also reflects on her own struggles with identity, faith, and sexuality in the context of her upbringing. While Priestdaddy explores the author's personal experiences, it also delves into larger themes such as religion, spirituality, and the meaning of family. Lockwood offers a nuanced and candid examination of her upbringing, blending humor, introspection, and social commentary throughout the memoir. Overall, Priestdaddy is a poignant and engaging memoir that delves into the author's unconventional upbringing as the daughter of a priest. It provides a unique perspective on family, religion, and personal growth, offering readers a humorous and thought-provoking exploration of these themes.